Hey y'all, what's going on? I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe, staying healthy. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little quick protein shake that I like to do before I work out or anything like that, because there's just some days where you just don't feel like cooking, and to get your quick protein meal or protein shake in is the easiest way to get some form of food in your system before you do any type of workout. So if you want to know what I'll be using today to create my protein shake, stay tuned to the video. So I'm pretty sure from the thumbnail you could tell that I'll be using 310 Nutrition to create my protein shake, and I will show you guys the items that I'm going to be using today to create this protein shake. So how I'm going to create my shake, I'm going to use this berry medley, blackberry, blueberries, raspberry, and strawberries frozen mix. I'm going to add some flax seeds into my shake. I'm also going to use the 310 chocolate meal replacement organic and vegan shake. I'm gonna add chia seeds and I'm gonna add hemp hearts to it. Let me tell you guys about the shake and why I'm gonna use this one in particular today. 310 was nice enough to send me out this stuff, so thank you, and shout out to Rhea, who was the person who was contacting me to get me this, and I really appreciate you for doing so. I've already tried the chocolate because my package came in with 2 chocolate, 1 salted caramel, and 1 vanilla. I said, well, the next time I use the chocolate, since I had 2 chocolate, 1 vanilla, 1 salted caramel, I was gonna try to recreate like a chocolate strawberry thing or a chocolate berry thing, because I love me some chocolate strawberries. Like, they're so good. So I said, well, I'm gonna try to recreate that type of taste in a shake. Now, with the 310 Nutrition shake, it is a meal replacement shake. It is organic, vegan, and this flavor is chocolate. And what it has in it, the total fat is 2 grams. The total carb is 7 grams. The dietary fiber is 5 grams, which makes the net carb 2 grams. And the protein is 15 grams. And this one packet, it has 110 calories in it. Now, it says directions. For healthy weight management and nutrition, mix 1 packet of 310 shake with a fluid ounce of cold water, milk, or milk alternative. Add fluid to reach your desired level of consistency. Enjoy 1 to 2 times daily. So it has a lot of good stuff. It's 100% vegan. It has essential proteins, fiber, nutrition, nutrients. I can't talk, but y'all already know that. If you return it, you already know I can't talk. Anyway, so, and then it has where you can download some recipes to create your own shake. Now, personally, so far, I like the salted caramel one. I made a protein coffee when I used that one. And then chocolate comes in second place. And vanilla, it was just all right. I mean, I like vanilla. I like white chocolate, vanilla. That's my thing. So it tasted all right. And I had that in a fruit smoothie that I did. Now I'm going to do my little mixture. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to formulate that. So give me 1 second. And I definitely forgot to show y'all what almond milk I'll be using. But this is what I'm going to be using to create my chocolate berry mixture. So yes, I'm gonna add this to it as well. So how I'm going to be mixing this stuff up, I'm gonna use my NutriBullet. So first I'm gonna just take a handful of the berries. I have this much berries in there, and again, these are frozen berries, so that's the reason why they look like that. I'm going to now take my chia seeds. And again, to use the 310 Nutrition package, this is just a quick way for me to get my meal in when I don't feel like cooking. Because if y'all seen any of my what I eat in a day, y'all know that I usually go all in. But when you don't have time, which is sometimes, well, sometimes I really don't have time to be doing certain things, especially sitting in the kitchen cooking and getting things prepared and you know, a protein shake and making up a protein shake or a smoothie is always a good way to go. So I added in my hemp hearts, I just added in my flax seeds. Now I'm going to add in the 310 chocolate shake. So this is what the protein looks like. And it does smell like chocolate, because I'll smell it for y'all right now. Oh, can y'all see me? Hold on. It does smell like chocolate to me. So yep, so I just added that into there. And now what I'm gonna do is add in the Simply almond milk. Now all of this will not fit in the shaker bottle. So I'm gonna, whatever's left in here after I mix it up, I'm just gonna drink it out the container. So let's go ahead and mix this baby up. This is what everything looks like all together before I mix it. And the reason why I'm using my NutriBullet to mix everything all together is because I want this to be very smooth. I don't want any chunks in my my protein shake, my smoothies. I can't stand when protein does that. So that's the reason why I'm using my NutriBullet to mix everything all together. So now look how the consistency is. Alright, so I have my shake here, and it does come with a actual shaker that you can place like on top to shake up your protein or the lemonade or whatever you buy from 310 Nutrition. I'm gonna just pop the lid on and we're gonna give this baby a taste. Whew, that is so good. Y'all do the recipe I do, even if you don't add the chia seeds and hemp hearts and flax seeds, because that's what I do to add in like extra fibers and stuff, extra protein, extra fat and all that. Using that chocolate 310 Nutrition packet with some almond milk or whatever choice you use, well, I wouldn't say use water because that ain't my alley. But if you use the berries and the chocolate, it do taste like chocolate covered fruit in protein form. Now, must give y'all a fair warning. If you have not had protein before, right? Or use whey protein or any type of protein before, it does have a taste. It has an after flavor. And that's, for me personally, I've had that with any protein I've ever used. They always have like that protein taste. When you drink protein, you're drinking it literally for protein. Yes, you want some flavor. Yes, you want it to taste good too. All protein have that taste. Okay, so fair warning. But this is really good, and I recommend y'all try the chocolate one. Salted caramel first. I like that one first. Then the chocolate, then the vanilla. I still need to find out a way to like work around that one. Maybe it was something I did, because you know I'm always doing something. But yeah, this is good. Like, I'm about to make me a, oh, I don't have another one. Ooh. Guess who's about to spend some coin? Now, if you want to give it a try and spend your coin on trying some 310 Nutrition and put in your protein shake and your smoothie just to get that extra boost of protein in, and to like really jumpstart your weight loss journey, your weight gain journey, your fitness journey, because face it, we all need protein. And especially if you're doing keto, because I'm doing keto and I need my moderate protein, high fat, moderate protein, and low carb. So since this is a protein based, if I find myself not having enough protein throughout the day, dessert right here, okay? It is keto friendly, once again, because of the carb intake. So it's 2 net carbs, like I said in the beginning of the video. So it's very great on net carb intake. And y'all know I don't be flexing for nobody. I'm not about to tell y'all, oh, it's so good, when it's not. No. Y'all know I keep it real with y'all, so real and raw over here. Yeah, so if you want to try 310 Nutrition and you want to include it in your journey, I'll leave a link down below where you can just push on the link, shop through, and see what you like. Yes, it is my link, but be honest with y'all, once again, y'all already know, real and raw over here. I will earn a little commission when you click my link. So I suggest giving this a try and seeing if you like it for yourself. Anyway, let me for real finish all this time. That way y'all can see I really be drinking all this and ain't no throwing it out and saying, oh, it's nasty after. No, it's really good. So let me just finish this up for you guys. It's really good. I'm not even playing. And there we go. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you plan on trying 310 Nutrition. Let me know what flavor you bought. Let me know if you guys got the shaker bottle. Let me know what flavor you tried. I probably said that already, but I got distracted. I'm sorry. Y'all know how my brain works. I be thinking too quick for my own processing. Anyway, so yes, let me know your experience with 310 Nutrition if you have ever tried it before. I would like to know how you guys made your smoothies, your protein shake, if you're using coffee, if you're just using a fruit bowl, like what kind of mixtures did you do when using this product? So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that the recording style was okay for you guys. Let me know if you like the style of recording. And I hope you guys are taking care, staying safe, and doing well for yourselves. And until next time, I'll do what? Huh? I'll do what? What? I'll talk to you later.